Good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. I am going to explain assignment 7 in statistics chapter. Coming to question number 1. Who is the father of statistics? Who is the father of statistics? We know very well. The father of statistics is Ronald A. Fisher. Ronald A. Fisher. Coming to question number 2. The information was collected by the investigator with a definite objective. The data is obtained by is called. The data is called primary data. Coming to question number 3, the given data, there are some numbers are given. The numbers are here 15, 18, 10, 6, 14. In all these numbers, 18 is highest and 6 is least. He asking the range. Therefore, range means maximum minus minimum. Range is equal to the difference of maximum and minimum. Here the maximum value is 18, minimum is 6. Therefore, that is equal to 18 minus 6, that is equal to 12. The range of the given data is 12. That is in options this. And coming to question number 4, the difference of upper limit and lower limit is called. The difference of upper limit and lower limit is called. Just observe. Here suppose I take a small intervals 10 to 20. This is called lower limit, this is called upper limit. The difference is called or class width or class length. These two are. Here in the given option, the fourth option is correct. Both B and C. So these two are just we know. This is B, this is C. The length of class is class length or width of the class. 5. The classes are length 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 4, etc. He asking the length of the class. Length of the class means the difference of any two. 20 to 30, the difference is 10. So the length of the class is 10. Coming to second Roman, question number 6. The classes which are in the form 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, like continuous table. These are called exclusive classes. Exclusive classes. Coming to question number 7. The difference between maximum and minimum. The difference between maximum and minimum is called range. Next, coming to question number 8. The classes which are in the form of, just observe clearly, 30 to 39, here 40 is missing, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. This type of classes are called inclusive classes. Coming to question number 9, the information collected from a source which had already been recorded, say from registers. This data is called secondary data. Already we know primary data. We arrange take primary data to arrange. Next order is called the secondary data. Coming to question number 10, the collection of records. The collection of records are called is a data. The collection of records from is called the data. Okay, thank you very much.